What is up, guys? Welcome back to the home gym. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to turn this reverse hyper into a leg extension machine. In the home gym, every square meter counts, and this reverse hyper takes up 1 square meter out of the 16 that we have here available in this home gym. As many people who bought a reverse hyper or who made one themselves can realize is that this is a bulky piece of equipment. So we want to take as much advantage out of it as possible. The great thing about this reverse hyper is that it has a pendulum that you can load up with weights. So in order to do reverse hypers, we take one end of the strap, we go up, put our feet through, if you want to use this as a leg extension, we put one leg in, we go up, boom, like so, put in both feet, so yeah, it's really that simple, guys. Just use the strap in reverse and you have a leg extension machine. Why on earth do you want to use a leg extension machine? Isn't that bad for your knees? The idea behind using a leg extension machine for me personally is whenever I do squats or lunges to have a superset of leg extensions, or if I can't really activate my quads enough on a specific day when squatting, I can pump out one of those with just one leg and try to really get that contraction going, and then take that with me to the squat and use it like that. So this is really just like an accessory exercise. If you want to have this as your main exercise, this will still work great. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. If you also have your DIY reverse hyper, are you also using it as a leg extension machine? Let me know in the comments down below, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!